Take a ride in the 2016 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, HID headlights, mini spare tire, rear wheel drive, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.